Hello mga ka-pretty! This is Geneva Oliva. For today's video nga, isi-share ko sa inyo ang aming staycation. This is good for big groups of family. This is located at the Register Condominium, Elisco Road, San Joaquin, Pasig City. Ayan, this is the room. Good for family na po yan. Up to 16 packs. Ayan, okay na. Goods na yan. Napakalinis. Ayan, kita nyo naman ang ating kitchen. May paggamit silang ref. Yan. Ayan, pwede rin tayo ditong magluto. Pwedeng gamitin yung mga utensils. Ayan, napakalinis ng bathroom with shower pa yan. For only 3,599. Dalawang room na yan with extra mattress dito sa isang room with aircon na din. Ganyan. And then also free use of Wi-Fi, unlimited Wi-Fi na yan. Naka-smart TV with Netflix and YouTube. Platinum yung video, okay. And then, ito yung papuntang balcony.